today I'm going to show you how to make a highly addictive and scrumptious dip, which is perfect for parties, perfect for football, which has just begun, perfect for a poker night or a girls' night or a potluck. It's a creamy bacon dip, and every time I make it, people devour it and they want the recipe, and it is delicious. And the star ingredient is, of course, bacon. And then these few other things. I've got some organic cream cheese, some organic sour cream. I've got my favorite mayo, some cheddar, tomato, and green onions. So really super, super simple with just a few ingredients. Anyone can make this. And yeah, so you're gonna wanna make it, and everybody's gonna ask for the recipe, so be ready. I have an 8-ounce block of organic cream cheese, and organic because you don't get the hormones, and it's really not that much more expensive than regular, so go for it. And this is from Publix, the Greenwise brand. They have more and more organic products coming out, and they're reasonably priced, so that's always a good thing. So just go ahead and scrape the cream cheese into a mixing bowl. Sometimes sticks to the wrapper. Next is sour cream, and I have Greenwise organic sour cream. This is a 16-ounce container, and I'm gonna use half of it. So it's 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream. 8 ounces is equal to 1 cup. And you know what I love about parties? I love going to parties where there's nothing but dips. I love dips. They're like better than a meal sometimes. And this one is for sure awesome. So half a cup of the mayonnaise. This is the Just Mayo brand that I love. I've talked about it before. It's non-GMO. Egg-free, dairy-free, great flavor, creamy. I really like it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get all these creamy things mixed up. So do your best to mix it and get rid of any lumps. There might be a few, which is okay. So I've cooked 6 pieces of turkey bacon. I'm just gonna break them in half because they're gonna get chopped better that way. So 6 pieces of turkey bacon. I cook it with a little butter and some salt until it's nice and crispy. And I like to put it in the food processor so that it's nice and finely chopped for the dip. That way you're sure to get the bacon flavor in every bite. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this really chopped. Okay, so I'm gonna put half of the bacon in the creamy mix. Okay, and I'm gonna save the rest for the top when it's all done baking. Okay, and then I'm gonna also do about half of the chopped green onions. I chopped 6 green onions, pretty small. So yeah, about half, and then save half for the top. And then the tomato, 1 chopped tomato is gonna go on the top of the dip when it's done baking as a garnish. Okay, and the last thing that's gonna go in before we bake is half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so mix it up, break up the clumps. I've got a nice big baking dish here that we're gonna transfer that into. Okay, spread it all over the bottom. And last, I have some shredded cheddar cheese. And you're gonna sprinkle about a half a cup all over the top. Okay, everything's better with cheese. All right, and that's it. Bake this at 375 degrees for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and garnish it with the rest of the bacon, green onions, and tomatoes. You're in for a treat. Okay, the dip is done. It was 20 minutes. It looks yummy. All right, so we go ahead and sprinkle the rest of the bacon over the top. And then the rest of the green onions. And then 1 chopped tomato, and it was a pretty small tomato, just so you know. Wow. Who's coming for dip? Looks amazing. So there you have it, creamy bacon dip for your next party, get together, fun night, whatever. Make it, let me know how it turns out. Share with your friends, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and remember that all my recipes are down below, and follow me on social media. Thanks so much, and have a very blessed day.